garlic cumin chicken casserole or cumin chicken. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the cumin chicken recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the chicken recipes and one of the most different of the chicken casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the garlic recipes and one of the most different of the garlic casserole recipes. We're going to make garlic cumin chicken casserole or garlic cumin chicken drumstick casserole. We have taken 4 chicken drumsticks or around 300 to 400 grams of chicken. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Caramel. Let it soften. Garlic soften this. Put in the garlic piece. Sauce the garlic piece. Now put in the ginger, put in salt to taste, salt, salt thoroughly, keep on salting. Thoroughly saute mix. Put in the cumin seeds, salt, salt thoroughly, put in a spoon of chili powder, and a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Salt, put in the drumstick piece, put in salt to taste, put in the tomato piece, salt thoroughly, mix, salt and mix thoroughly. For 3 to 4 minutes and cook for 30 to 45 minutes. in the casserole. After cooking for the required time, put in some curry leaves and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Garlic chicken cumin casserole or garlic cumin chicken casserole is ready. Can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final garlic cumin chicken casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the cumin chicken recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the chicken recipes and one of the most delicious of the chicken casserole recipes and one of the most different of the garlic recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the cumin chicken casserole recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.